Record. Today's topic is habit of quitting. At the starting initial stage, everything seems like dark. You don't know where to go. But as soon as you start taking the initiative, things start getting open up. You will see automatically the lighting. You can see the way where you have to go. The only thing you need to do is get started. But the biggest challenge with the youth of today, India, is before they start, they give up, they quit. And this is the biggest challenge that we have to overcome from your life. So, always, always, at least take the initiative. I have seen people where they are at the age of 35 to 40 and they feel like regret. I have seen people where people feel like I have not achieved anything in my life. This regret is worse than the regret of failure. So, never ever thought of quitting. At least give a hit. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या ही हो जाएगा. Either you will learn or you will succeed. कहीं ना कहीं तो पहुंचोगे. And this is how people win. This is how champions are created in market. That's how the market toppers like Ambani's, Birlas, कहीं ना कहीं तो start किया होगा ना zero से. Even they have started with zero. Just imagine अगर उन्होंने starting में ही quit कर दिया होता, then आज ये नाम कभी हमें सुनने नहीं मिलते. So always there is a start point. Always there is a zero point where everyone start. And that's where we all have to do it. So at least give a hit. ज्यादा से ज्यादा कुछ नहीं, ज्यादा से ज्यादा फेल हो गए, एटलीस्ट वो रिग्रेट नहीं होगा. थैंक यू. यस सर.
Great, wonderful, wonderful. That is something which is known as 100% impromptu, spontaneous. Immediately thoughts comes, and the way you have used the prop that is dark is amazing. I tell you, amazing. Because every time, whenever you start any new project, the first fear comes in your mind: what if? Then blah 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 blah. What if I will fall down? What if my investment will be null? What if I will fail? What if I lost all my investment? What if competitors start selling their product at a cheaper cost? What if thousand and thousand? But we don't create such sentence. What if I will win? What if I will supersede everyone? What if that I have got courage? So why always negative? And you know something, this negative mindset has been created by our peers only, our family, society, parents, friends, yes, of course, friends, mother, the people who love much more us, who are very adorable to us, who say that they loves us. Actually, they sometimes pull our leg back, not just because they don't want that one should be successful in their life. It's not like that, but there is one thing that every peers wants, that he should be in a safe hand, he should be safe, he should not fall down. So that creates kind of a comfort zone. Everybody wants to be in their comfort zone. And what happens once we get we get used to of it, that comfort, then it is very difficult to opt new changes, new challenges, accepting new way, accepting new techniques, tools, everything is just seems that it's very tough to adopt. It's very tough to implement new things in our life. That is why it has been known change is not acceptable to everyone. Change is always resistible. Everyone resists changes. So that is so important that we should keep on changing ourselves, because that is inevitable. You see the nature, every 4 months you see the changes. Summer, winter, this, that, everything is just changing. Night, in fact, in 24 hours, we see night, then again morning, then again day. So everything is changing, but at the same time, we are just consuming all those information and data, but we are not ready to implement all those things. So it is very important to learn from the nature, to learn from within the vicinity, accept negativity. So try to absorb and start taking action according to that. See, rightly said by you that what will happen if you will not success? You will learn. There is no as such fail. Fail means what? Fail means what? There is no scope further. But if you are not success, then there is another chance to go on that way. But once you get success, then you are not going to come back to see the journey once again. Like if you are going from one place to another place and you are not reached, you have reached somewhere else. So you have enjoyed that journey. At the same times, your goal is somewhere else. So you will enjoy another journey. So failure is far better than the success. What I consume, and that is the positive mindset of anyone. So there is no failure as such. Always there is a progress. It is important that whether you take any step, are you growing? Ask yourself, are you growing? Are you learning? Are you learning and growing both together? If yes, then you are on the right track. Otherwise, you have to think, take a pause, ask yourself. It is so very important that your vibe is coordinating with you or not. If your vibes are coordinating with you, then you are on the right track. Forget people, forget society, community. Everyone is just crying. They are not allow you to go leaving them, because they don't want that if you go beyond your periphery, then you may be successful. And that is what they don't digest actually. So they don't want to allow you. So they are remain with their comfort zone, and they don't want to that you should leave this place, your comfort zone, and do some wonders. And you might be surprised to see this pattern. The person who is having grand success in their life, they are the one who fought with all those peers, all those lovely person around him. He has taken a challenge. No, I will do that. And that is a person who has got radial mentality, you can say, rather. So radial mentality is kind of, see, people where are going, I am not supposed to go, I'm not supposed to do. I should be a figure, a face in the crowd. So that is so important that one should, number two, what the topic has been decided, we never quit. What happens when we are consistently giving our efforts and results are not coming? So it does happen. So everyone, that we forget. I tell you one story. Once upon a time, a normal man like you and me was trying to climb on the hill, and that hill was full of snow. So snowfall was there. So suddenly he lost his balance and fall down to from the top of the hill, and he was falling down, and somewhere he got stuck. So now he started crying, "Oh my God, please help me." So after shouting a lot, God has appeared and he told, "You just leave that, whatever you hold, so that you will fall down." So he did not trust his own voice. He did not trust his own voice, what he was supposed to listen from the voice of the God, and he was remain stuck on their branch, holding it tightly. But at the same time, in the whole night, he was freezed, and lost his breath. In the morning, the people who saw him hang on the branch of that tree was only 1 feet height from the earth. If he could listen that voice, if you had left that branch, he would be on the earth, who would be on the plane, and perhaps he might have survived himself. But he did not listen, so he quit. So either you believe it or not, you have to trust your own self, oneself, and that is so important, because until you trust your hand, you cannot you cannot hold your baggage of life. So don't quit. Nobody will walk for you. Nobody will hold your luggage, man. It would be you and you only. People may walk with you, walk along you, not for you. So you have to walk with your own feet. So that is so important that you should not say, take a rest, take a pause, think twice, thrice, how many times you want to think. But at the same time, what is so important that quitting, quitting is not something which is which I can say and vouch also, that is definable to a person of substance, a person who is so-called man. So-called man तो अच्छा नहीं होगा बोलना. If we really feel that we are man, so we are bound, we should not quit. Yes, quitting is something. Yes, I can consider it in different sense. If you're quitting for bounce back, then it's fine. If you're coming back 2 step back, if you're taking 2 step back for taking a leap of growth, leap of faith, you can say, so then it's fine. You're not quitting, you're coming back so that you can again bounce back to the mainstream. That is okay. But that has to be part of strategy. If it is not part of the strategy and you are surrendering yourself that I am hopeless, I can't do anything, then it would not be acceptable. And believe me, if you're not accepting you, nobody will come forward and accept you. So you will be all alone through of your life, and you will not worth what you are being awarded by the God. God has given you all the strength, man, all the strength. So why we are fearing? What for we are quitting? No way. I'm surprised that people got less mark and they committed suicide, not just because they lost their hope with themselves, because the people pinch them like anything, and consequently, what people will say, what people will think, what will my image. So they all people who have committed this suicide actually externally driven. Their remote control was handled by someone else. At the same time, what is that one thing which we want to implement from the immediate effect? If we also want to be successful, first of all, take a control of your own journey. Be the driver of your own journey, and that is so important, because if on the steering wheel, if you're driving your steering, then definitely you will lead your life to someone, some extent. It would be a wonderful place. But at the same times, if you are being driven by else, he will take you to his comfort level, to his own choices destination. So choice is again yours, whether you want to be driven by others or by yourself. So never quit. That's the message of today. So thank you so much. That is what my learning about this one line only. There are so many things which we can uh, project on this topic, but yes, it is very important that you should be driven by yourself, number one, because your vibes, your body, your soul knows what is the best for you, no one else. Walk alone, because no one will walk for you. They may walk along you, they may walk with you. Number three, always keep your driving seat at your hand. No other person will take you to your comfort level. They will take to their comfort level, and their comfortable will not be comfortable for you.
Great one, sir. Great one.